Hello, Ramona. I can't shake this.
Na ano ba buha kabalen? Welcome to Warren, Pampanga guys para sa video na to. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City and we were invited by the Coffeegrounds Hangout Cafe. So this is located po dito sa may Lakandula Street, very near sa Holy Angel University. And today, we're gonna witness their grand opening. So makikisalo po tayo sa kanilang celebration. And syempre, titikman din natin yung kanilang mga kape. Today is a coffee day. Samahan nyo po ako. If you wanna know more about this, let's go.
I stand alone.
So ayun guys, welcome again dito sa Coffeegrounds Angeles City. And this is our table. This is just some of the items or products that you can actually try dito po. So on our table, meron tayong Java chip, meron din tayong caramel macchiato, and yung kanilang blueberry smoothie. For our pastries, meron tayo ditong an egg pie and more cookies. So let's try them one by one. Wow. So, para sa akin, it has a good, bitter level para doon sa chocolate niya. So, this one is their caramel macchiato. But before that, let me taste yung kanilang mga pastries. For that one, I think it's good paired with the blueberry. If you've been following me, I'm a lover of mga egg pies. Tignan na natin yung kanilang caramel macchiato. Taste it. For me, since I'm a coffee lover, lagi akong umiinom ng coffee. It's a good level for the bitterness. Right? This one's good.
I stand alone.
So there you have it guys. Again, congratulations the Coffeegrounds Hangout Cafe for opening dito po sa Angeles City. Guys, if you're looking for a business, they are open for franchising po. What's included po sa package nila? It includes everything. The furniture, the lighting, the training, the initial stocks, everything. No need for you to worry. Basta po pag turnover sa inyo, i-manage na lang. So, if you're interested to partner with them, go check out the fan page we're gonna be including in the description below. So, this is the building. Ito po yung building nila. It's located dito po sa may Stoneheights. I wanna show you guys para mas madali nyo pong makita. They are open from 12:30 in the afternoon up until 10:30 p.m. Again, thank you so much for watching Warren, Pampanga. I hope you like this video and share it with your friends. Until next time, God bless us all. Bye guys!